Climber taps, ground exercise. How to do it. Climber taps are a core strengthening and cardio boosting bodyweight exercise. Here's how to perform them on the ground. 1. Start in a high plank position. Place your hands shoulder width apart directly under your shoulders, legs extended behind you, and body in a straight line from head to heels. Engage your core to keep your hips level. 2. Begin the movement. Lift your right foot off the ground and drive your right knee toward your chest. As it comes forward, tap your left hand to your right knee. 3. Return to start. Place your right foot back behind you and your left hand back on the ground, returning to the high plank. 4. Alternate sides. Now bring your left knee forward and tap it with your right hand, then return to the plank. 5. Repeat alternating sides. Continue alternating, sides at a controlled pace or increase. Speed for a cardio challenge. Form tips. Keep your back flat and core engaged throughout. Avoid letting your hips sag or pike up. Breathe steadily and maintain control. Benefits. Climber taps work your abs, shoulders, and hip flexors, while also improving coordination and endurance. They're great for warm-ups, core circuits, or high-intensity workouts. Perform for 30-60 seconds, or a set number of reps per side, depending on your fitness level. Please check my next video.